To book a hotel with Southwest points, you need to understand how the Southwest Rapid Rewards program works and how it can be used for hotel bookings. The first step is to sign into your Southwest account and navigate to the Rapid Rewards section. Here you will find the option to redeem your points for travel, including hotels. Southwest has partnered with several hotel chains, including Marriott, Intercontinental Hotels Group, and World of Hyatt, to offer a wide range of hotel options. You can browse through the available hotels and filter by location, price, and amenities. Once you have found a hotel that suits your needs, you can proceed to book it using your Southwest points. The number of points required to book a hotel varies depending on the hotel category and the time of year. Generally, the more luxurious the hotel, the more points it will require. You can expect to pay between 5,000 and 100,000 points per night for a hotel stay. To book a hotel, simply select the hotel and the dates of your stay, and then click on the Redeem with Points option. You will be asked to confirm your booking and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you have completed the booking process, you will receive a confirmation email with the details of your hotel stay. It is worth noting that booking a hotel with Southwest points may not always be the best value, especially if you are looking for a luxury hotel stay. In some cases, it may be more cost-effective to pay cash for your hotel stay rather than using your points. However, if you have accumulated a large number of Southwest points and are looking to use them for a hotel stay, this can be a great way to redeem them. In addition to booking hotels, Southwest points can also be used for flights, car rentals, and other travel-related expenses. By understanding how to use your Southwest points for hotel bookings, you can make the most of your Rapid Rewards membership and enjoy more travel benefits.